Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. And this class we have learned that how to you can write your text in HTML CSS. Okay, so like my video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Go here. I will here. So new file. So my name is index.html. So you can go here and you can write index.css. So now here you can write HTML. Here you can write document, and here you can write link. And now link. So I will edit it and edit href. So I will go here. I will write style.css because this is short video. Okay. So now because I will write how to write your text in your browser, how to write. So I will. So first of all, here you can write h1, and now Ryan bake. This is short video. Okay, so here you can write Ryan bake. So you can here you can write h2, and h2 should be develop. How to write. So here, so now you can, here you can write. So here I will write h1, h1, and here I will write font family should be Roboto. First of all, I will see you how to write your text and how to do your font, how to you go to the font. Okay, I will see you. Sans serif, sans serif. So now you can font size. I will also tell you size. Here you can write size. And now you can write font weight. Font weight should be bold. You can write save it. Go here. So he is not working. So how do you save it then? Go here. No. Go here, save all. And save all. Go here, browser, refresh. You can see. You can come your text. You can come your text. So you can come your text very easy. So this video is about how to come a text and how to do the text font and okay and size and weight. So I will telling you, so you can see it, and you can write also here. I will only example you. Okay, so save and save. And then this class is on font and size and weight. Okay, I will tell you in this class because I will start HTML CSS, and first of all you can write how to write that because lot of people is not telling him this, and not he is mine. So you can see it. I will telling you how to write your text and size and font family and font weight. Okay, so there's short video. So I will hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.